Okay, good morning. I am Mr. Armando Sabili of AMC Computer Sales and IT Services. I am the owner of AMC Computer Sales and IT Services and also the technician. Okay, so the nature of our shop is computer services, repair and printing. I also have a National Certificate Level 2 in TESDA, that is a Technical Education Skills Development Authority here in the Philippines, and also I have the Training Methodology Certificate Level 1. Okay, so today what we're going to fix is an Epson L120. So what we're going to need is cross screw driver. Okay, so let us check the power. Let's plug. Okay, so notice that it doesn't have a power. Okay, so it doesn't have a power. So what I'm going to do is to check the power supply. Okay, so let's disassemble the unit. Okay, let us unscrew. Okay, and the next is the other screw here. Okay, so we have two screws here. And also we have a screw here side. Okay, so when you unscrew, that is counterclockwise. Okay, and then position the printer like this one. And then we need this flat screwdriver. Okay, then after that, let us remove this one, remove the ink cap of the ink tank. Okay, so that is how we disassemble the ink tank first. Then let's put again the ink cap. Okay, after that there is also another screw here. But this is a no power printer. The first thing that you're going to do when there is no power is the power supply. But I'm just showing you how to disassemble the Epson L120. Okay, so the ink tank is disassembled. Okay, and the next is at this position here at the back, the printer. We have here also a screw. Okay, for the waste ink tank. This is the waste ink tank. When you clean your Epson printer, the waste ink proceeds here. Okay, next is we're going to remove the power supply. Okay, that will remove the power supply. And this is the power supply. So next is we're going to remove this and this one. Okay. So we'll disassemble the unit. Let's double check. Let's double check. Right, let's double check if there is power. Okay, so notice there is a power. Notice the printing power of your, sometimes the power supply is loosened. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is to check if it is printing. Okay. Let us get some used papers. Okay. Scratch. Then keep it here. Position here. Okay. Okay, after we position the paper, after we insert the paper, let us turn on the computer. Waiting for the PC to boot. When there is no power, you double check the first thing that you're going to do is double check the power supply. Okay, the power supply looks like this one. Okay, looks like this one. This is the power supply of an Epson L120. Sometimes it is loosened, sometimes the cockroach bite damage this wire. And also, the second thing that you're going to do is to check all the wires, because sometimes cockroaches, mice ruin the wires. Okay, now let's check in our computer if this is our computer. Okay, so let's check in our computer. We have a Windows 7. Okay, so click Microsoft Word. After clicking new Microsoft Word, that is Word 2010, we're using Windows 7. I'm going to plug the USB cable. Okay, and then click File, and then print. So many printer installed here. So Epson L120, because in our shop we have so many clients here. Okay, I didn't see any Epson L120. Its status is ready. So this one, have Epson L120 series copy 9. And then print. So let us double check. Let us double check. So notice we have the head there is cleaning. So again, an Epson L120, what you're going to check again is the power supply, and then the cable, and then next is we're going to clean the guide strip, this one. Okay. So let us double check if it fits. If there is no problem with the pedal. It took us at least 1 minute to clean. Okay, it happens when the printer is unplugged. Okay, without a proper without proper turn off the printer. Suddenly, sometimes users unplug the printer. Cleaning is there is a scheduled cleaning that is in the system. After 1 year, after 1 year of waiting. So let us identify first for the beginner. This is our ink tank, this is our ink tube, and this is our cartridge. So we have 3 parts here: the ink tank, the ink tube, and the cartridge or the ink head. We have 2 buttons here. We have the power button and the reset button of the proceed or the resume button. We are using the resume button when there is a paper jam. Okay, in your printer, the proper usage are the ink tank must be horizontally balanced, okay, or equal, meaning this ink tank must be at the same level. Okay. Okay, so there is no problem with the black, red, blue, yellow. Okay, so let us double check. When we are going to use multiple page file, print at least 2 pages or 3 pages. Okay, so I guess there is no problem with the paper feeder. There is no problem with the plug cartridge. So we printed at least 2 pages. Okay, the next thing that we're going to check is the so the next is we're going to use this vacuum. Okay, so put your hands here. We need to use a blower because sometimes there are stapler. Okay, there are also plugged sheet of paper. There also sometimes there are candies, thumbtacks. Okay, after doing so, let's put back this printer. Okay, let us turn off the printer here. Okay, after turning off, let's unplug. Oops. Okay, so we're going to put this one, the rubberized tape. Let's put another one.
Laptop. May mouse na.
Okay, after doing this, okay, this is the hack using the paper filter. Okay, so then screw, two screws here, side. Okay, the next is this one. So I'm not using any gloves. And then we remove the cap again. Put it back. Okay, and then this one. That is the way how to disassemble and assembling of the Epson L120. Next is the screw here. The two screws here. It's the last one. Okay, so again, let's check again. Okay, so in the Philippines, the service charge of this kind of printer is 500 pesos. Maybe in dollars, that is $5. I don't know, $10. Okay, so let us up. And also we have here our laptop, desktop, and cleaner. This is a motorcycle cleaner. Okay. This will bring back its color. It's like brand new, making it brand new again, so that the customer is always happy. So that's it. Let's bring this last part. Dahil makikita ako mo sticker yan, si sticker printer. Saya ron no alcohol di. Alcohol di. Ay butang ng mga papel. Saya mabikulan na what you've heard is okay, so the proper usage of our printer is, I'm going to put a sticker here. Avoid turning printer on and off repeatedly. Avoid turning printer on and off repeatedly. This is the on and off switch. Okay, then keep ink tanks and printer the same horizontal layer. Before to power on printer, be sure that the small 4 holes of the external tanks are apart. Okay, so this proper usage node is designed for Canon, HP, Epson, and brother. So number 3 is not applicable to Epson printer. Number 4, refill the tanks when ink level is 30%. So again, the ink tank must be horizontally level. If the ink tank reach 30%, you must fill. Okay, if one of the color, so we have 4 colors, we have red, blue, yellow, and black. And the next is power on printer once every 3 days to automatically perform a head cleaning to prevent print head from clogging. So when you turn on the printer, if you're not using the printer, you at least turn on at least once every 3 days. Okay, so notice that when you turn on your printer, it automatically cleans the ink head. So that's preventing that from clogging. And then if transferring printer to another place, cover the whole holes of external ink.
Ink sa Epson.
So cover the whole ink. Cover the again, this is not applicable for Epson. Use specific and compatible inks. Do not refill with other type of ink. Okay, so you're using the original Epson ink. Okay, so I'm using in this shop. I'm also a supplier of ink, right? This ink type does not plug your printer. We have Epson, Brother, and Canon. In case of paper jam, turn off the printer before pulling out the paper. So if there's a paper jam, you're going to turn off the printer, or if doesn't turn off, you unplug the printer and then you remove the sheet of paper. Okay, and the last one, do not use board paper because it may damage your paper roller. Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you very much. So let us check again if the printer is now okay. Okay, so let this command print as at least 2 pages. Okay, so we don't have problem in a black Amslink computer sales and IT services. We don't have a problem in black, red, blue, and yellow. The primary colors are the red, blue, and yellow. Okay, so we're using only scratch. We don't want to waste any paper. We reuse the paper. Okay, now what I'm going to teach you now is how to reset the Epson printer. So as your mentor, I'm going to provide you all the necessary softwares, especially the resetter of the Canon, Epson, HP, and Brother. Okay, so let us put here. When you're going to reset the printer, okay, so let us find our resetter. That is under letter drive D. Epson resetter, Epson L120 resetter, and then click adjustment probe. Okay, then select the printer, that is Epson L120, then the port. Here the Epson L120, then click OK, particular adjustment mode, raise ink pad counter. Okay, then click main pad counter and then click check. So we have 4,462, which is 72%. Okay, so that is nearing 100%. If 100%, there is the ink pad, the waste ink pad needs to reset. Okay, so click initialize. When the OK button is clicked, counter will be initialized. Okay. Okay, then please turn off the printer. I'm going to turn off the printer, and then let us check again. Click OK, and then click OK for the reboot. Okay, and then click finish. Okay, after clicking finish, you click shipping setting, and then reset the plug, then right. Okay, and then click OK. Turn off again the printer, and then click finish, and then turn on again the printer. And then for the head cleaning, click CL1 with if it is plugged, you choose power cleaning. Okay, for this one, which doesn't have any streaking sign of the ink result, you have click only CL1 or weak, then cleaning, and then confirm that the waste ink tray for service is installed. Click OK. Okay, this will clean your printer. So that's all for today. So thank you very much. Again, your mentor, Mr. Armando Savile of Amsting Computer Sales and IT Services. Thank you very much and God bless.